I enrolled in the program because detailing has always been a passion of mine, and the idea of making something better because of me is a great source of pride for me and the satisfaction I get to see. So this is just to increase my knowledge on that and get some certification.
At the moment, I'm just trying to figure out how to make some more money and establishing a new business in the area.
I've enrolled in the program to better my knowledge on paint protection and ceramic coating and just the total preparation for a car to make it look good and get cleaned. And you know, the application and the prep is the most important for a vehicle, and I was lacking that.
I wanted to learn as much as I could about the auto detailing industry, and the research that I conducted proved that this place would be the place for it.
Our repair performance facility is looking to expand our offerings to customers, so I'm here for the knowledge and experience.
I started looking at YouTube videos, and I already thought I know everything. But this is a great program for me to actually realize I know nothing.
Just to gain more knowledge.
I enrolled in the training programs because I've been detailing cars. I'm a car enthusiast. I've been doing it for about 2 years now. And I also wanted to further my education. I've been seeing a lot of high good ratings for Detail King, and I wanted to be a part of the family.
I wanted to learn as much as possible so I could start my own auto detailing business.
I enrolled in the training seminar to be able to provide the best customer experience for my customers.
I was looking to gather information regarding the auto detailing industry to learn more about the techniques, the different aspects for which a business can grow, ultimately to develop my own business within the industry.
I enrolled because I work as a full-time mechanic, and the owner of the shop I work at is giving me an opportunity to do detailing as well in the shop and giving me a space, so I thought I would want to come learn from professionals.
I just wanted to learn more about detailing and doing it more so like on a professional level, and you know, I would feel more comfortable doing it for other people if I was, you know, trained by, you know, you guys. So.
Well, I enrolled because I wanted to learn some new methods. I wanted to stay constant, and I was just looking to get certified and professionally trained.
I'm in the middle of starting up my used dealership, and I'm seeing that a lot of the cars that I'm getting, you know, the value really does shine through after you finish the mechanical work and restoring the car, looking brand new. It makes a huge difference to customers.
I've been in the ceramic tile business for, well, I've been installing ceramic tile for 42 years. And my dad was a tile setter, so I've been around it for most of my life. Trying to move into something a little bit different, a little less strenuous on the knees and the body. And interior detail, auto detail has been something I've been really attracted to for the last 5 years. And so now I'm moving into, we're getting closer and closer. Hope to start it up next year.
Well, just to get the opportunity to learn, you know, hands-on, the business side.
The business portion has been eye-opening, informative, and practical uses for the climate of the market today.
It's actually it's very helpful. I'm able to learn about different aspects of the business that I never knew about, and I'm looking forward to seeing the endeavors that comes along with it.
Oh, it was a great help. A lot of knowledge you just gave me out on how to, you know, incorporate my business and just the steps I need to take to make the most out of it.
So far, the business portion has been great. I've learned a variety of different ways on how to start, promote, and maintain your business.
My brain is literally exploding from the realizing the opportunities we have just in our block. So I'm really excited to get started.
Very useful information.
I like it. You know, it's something new that you learn. I'm trying to go with it and bring new opportunities.
The business portion it's a lot of information to take in at one time, but it also has good tools and good tricks in how to manage your business to grow professionally.
It's great content. I'm definitely learning a lot, and I'm gonna make sure I apply it to my to life.
The business portion has been great. I've learned a lot and very informative.
It's been really great, very insightful. A lot of information has been given to different opportunities out there. So I'm looking to move forward with developing my own business.
The business portion was very informative. I definitely wouldn't open a business without coming here and learning all this first. You guys teach great things here.
I thought it was really informative. It's helped me a lot, you know, figure things out about pricing and and that sort of thing, and like making sure I'm marketing well. And I actually am looking into marketing in like a country club type of setting, so seeing that like on that graph is really helpful.
Well, it was good. It taught me the importance of being fully licensed and being insured, just to prevent anything that, in case it goes wrong, and just shows you the proper way to obey the rules and regulations.
I thought it was excellent. I'm not really from the industry. I spent the last 25 years in IT in corporate world, and I found it was very easy to apply all those years of experience to a different industry and a lot of the same concepts.
Excellent. Excellent. Everything I'd hoped for to form the business part of the business of the detail business, and to move forward in that area.
It's pretty useful. You know, anybody who wants to learn the business side is pretty useful. Man. I highly recommend it.
The hands-on training so far today has been great. Nick and his crew have been going around checking everybody. It makes you really confident in the tools you have to use and just using them.
So far, the hands-on training has been excellent. It's both met and exceeded my expectations. Having the opportunity to work side by side with the professionals here at Detail King, also along with using and learning all about the various types of equipment that you have, has been extremely beneficial so far.
Working with the professionals, learning the proper procedure, materials, and tools has been invaluable to the success of a detailing company.
I loved it. I mean, I made a little tiny scratch disappear. I've never done it before. The one thing I'm going to have a hard time doing is knowing when to stop polishing. So much fun.
So the hands-on training up here at Detail King is actually pretty great. Learning different tools, different types of tonadors, and all the different tools have been great. There's a lot of different things you can do to make a quick wage, I'll tell you that.
Oh, it was a great experience. I came in not knowing nothing, and I definitely learned a whole lot already in these 2 days, so it was great.
The hands-on portion has been excellent. Everyone seems very knowledgeable, all the instructors, and it's been very nice to access a lot of tools and machines and chemicals that I don't have at home.
I've enjoyed it, seeing the different components that goes along with the detail process, the proper tools, the products that you serve, chemical-based, that's friendly, that works for the vehicle, takes care of the customer's service or the customer's vehicle, shall I say. It's been a wonderful thing since I've been here.
I thought it was great. I was so grateful for the opportunity to come here and learn everything I did. I truly feel like an artist after what I learned.
I mean, so far it's been great. You know, getting to learn different techniques. I mean, I detailed a couple of cars in the past, and being able to come here and learn the right way to do things and the right products to use and the right order to use them in, it's been phenomenal. And the instructors have been super informative, which has been great, and they've answered all the questions that not only myself but everyone else has had as far as I can see. So yeah, it's been great.
Well, the practical part of it was excellent. It showed me what's being used today in terms of the equipment, the polishing, different types of products. It was excellent and informative.
It's been great being able to observe using the right materials, the right tools that you have at your disposal, and then being able to, you know, work with the instructors and ask them specific questions. You know, if you're having trouble with one spot and things like that. And I've just been amazed by how quickly you can learn and pick up better ways of improving not just the quality of the work, but the time that it takes to get it looking great.
Very good. Everything I was hoping for. The classroom yesterday was excellent, and the hands-on training today was everything I'd hoped to learn from Detail King.
Great, man. It's a great learning experience. I learned a lot of new techniques. It's pretty good, man.
Oh, the training was marvelous. I really enjoyed it. The staff was great. Just learning a whole lot of new knowledge to where I'm able to run my detail mobile business. It's a lot of knowledge here.
Yes, I would, absolutely.
I certainly would. There's plenty to learn here, both yesterday with the business aspect of the industry, and certainly plenty to learn here today with the hands-on side.
Sure, whether you're trying to be a professional or just detailing your cars at home, They teach you the correct steps and everything you need to know.
My future employees might be coming back here, and if somebody wants to do this and they're far away from me, absolutely.
Of course, it's a great experience, learning a lot of different things and a way to make some quick cash, I tell you that.
Oh, most definitely. I'm most definitely going to tell a lot of my friends and family, so I'm going to tell them to come check it out.
I wouldn't refer anyone, especially not my competition, but everyone else definitely.
Sure. It's a wealth of knowledge here for someone looking to start their business, for someone who's just looking to take care of the vehicle as an enthusiast. It's a lot of knowledge to gain, and all the staff has been great. A lot of people who come here are great as well.
Yeah, definitely. I would recommend my friends, anybody I know who's interested in doing this, as long as they're not too close to me.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, anyone who asks me about it, I'm gonna have nothing but positive things to say. But I mean, yeah, anyone I know who's not only interested in the detailing business, but also just learning about the business side of things in general, I would absolutely recommend it to them.
Yes, I would, you know. Anyone who's thinking about getting in the auto detailing businesses, existing entrepreneurs, and even for retirees who want to do something else with their time.
Absolutely. I think even for the people that are, you know, weekend warriors who just want to get their car done properly, it just will, I mean, it's just a sense of relaxation and accomplishment when you get it done. And for a lot of people, that in itself is just a good job well done.
Certainly would. Before I came over here, I looked around other parts of the country, and I didn't feel that they offered what Detail King did. That's why I'm here today, this weekend.
Definitely, definitely. I recommend friends, family, anybody who's trying to get into the detailing business. Great.
Oh yes, I will refer everybody, I would recommend everybody to attend this Detail King program. Very excellent.